Hello. So I'm trying to create a class for English 103. And as I was looking through some of the choices in the class, I found it kind of difficult to find stuff related to that specific discipline. So I kind of went out on my own and I searched a repository for OER, and then I found this, which is the Community College Consortium for Open Educational Resources. And as you can see, there's quite a list here. Well, I went ahead and found the Teaching Commons. I clicked on that, and I really like this website. It kind of reminds me of doing a search for an article on the library databases. So immediately I clicked on the Arts and Humanities, and I really like this because it shows what's popular, right? And I just happened to scroll down, see if I can find it again. Just happened to scroll down and I found a pretty good textbook. Where was it at? It's right here. Writing and Literature Composition as Inquiry. So I clicked on that, and you could download it, and I actually did download it, and I found a good chapter for my class. Chapter 3 is Effective Arguments. But the other thing that I like about this book itself is you can use it for several types of disciplines, whether it's several types of subtopics, whether it's literature, a regular comp course, and things like that. But the other thing that I like about this repository is you can get pretty specific. In this search bar here, I'm going to type in English and click search. And I can really narrow it down if I want to. So if I want arts and humanities, or if I want to go straight at the English language and literature, I can click on that. And if I just want composition, I can click on that. So I think it seems like it would save a lot of time if you knew what it was you really wanted. So exactly what you're looking for. All right. So I could even narrow it down here and click on the PDF, and that leaves me with four different English textbooks, and there's the one that I used. That's the one that I found on the front page that I was searching. So I hope this helps.